frequently creates virtual machines, then host protection can be performed using virtual machine templates, right? Virtual machine template. Now, the idea is, if you or your colleagues are started creating virtual machines and use if you create, there can be some vulnerabilities, or certain you can create mistakenly certain loopholes. But in order to protect this, you can use virtual machine templates instead. So then these templates can be developed by a developing team, or you can use existing virtual machines to create templates, right? So if I go to virtual machine here, you can go to this virtual machine, and then you can export these templates. So like this, so export template, meaning you can export complete template here. So this is the template about the virtual machine. And when you are recreating a virtual machine, you can use this template to recreate the virtual machine. For example, if I copy this template, sorry, if I copy this template, I think I copy this template, right? If I copy this template, and then you can use custom template, deploy custom templates a service to create the same virtual machine. By this, just using this one, you can create same type of a virtual machine. Okay, you using it's a template. You can create virtual machines, and also the same way you can create multiple templates for multiple departments, purposes. So then it will use you can it will create a secure virtual machines. I mean, all the required configurations, for example, with the extensions that I demonstrated. So if you have, requirement of installing anti-malware extension for all the uh, devices, that can be done as a part of Azure Resource Manager templates. And also